Hi, I'm Tom from System Q. This is the all-new LCD400K CCTV test monitor from CCTV Mate. It's a toolbox favourite for professional installers for testing and commissioning CCTV systems. It works with IP and coaxial based systems such as TVI, CVI and AHD. And it's compatible with old analogue systems as well. That's not even mentioning the built-in network testing and fault finding functions. So let's get into it. This is 10 reasons the LCD400K is the king of CCTV test monitors. 1. It supports CCTV cameras up to 4K, so you can set up and commission the latest CCTV equipment on the market. 2. It tests the lot: IP, TVI, CVI and AHD. So whatever your choice of CCTV tech, the LCD400K has got you covered. 3. It can power PoE devices, so you can test them with just one network cable and save yourself bags of time. 4. It also powers 12-volt devices. The built-in 12-volt output means that you can mount, position and set up CCTV cameras before you've even finished cabling. 5. It tests networks. You can check your speeds from 10 meg up to 1 gig, so it's easy to identify and remove bottlenecks. It also has a network sniff tool and can list all of the IP and MAC addresses of the equipment it finds. 6. The LCD400K has a built-in torch, so you can even see what you're doing when you're testing equipment in dark corners. 7. There's a built-in local area network cable tester, so it can test and locate open and short circuit in your cables, and it can even pinpoint the distance in meters to the fault using time domain reflection. 8. It has a flip-out QWERTY keyboard. No more faffing around with buttons that are too small for your fingers. You get a full, top-quality keyboard to work with, which will save you so much time. 9. The LCD400K records video. It pulls footage straight from your CCTV cameras, so you can have a record of your installation quality at sign-off, which might just save your skin later down the line. 10. It comes with an RS485 tester built in. For those odd bits of access control equipment or PTZs, you don't need any special kit. The LCD400K has got you covered and it will save you time, money and hassle. So that's the LCD400K all-new test monitor from CCTV Mate. It's a Swiss Army knife for security professionals and it should take pride of place in any toolbox. To buy an LCD400K for yourself and to see a full rundown of all its features, head over to systemq.com. Cheers!